Impurities in pharmaceuticals. Impurities in pharmaceuticals refer to any unwanted or unintended substances that are present in a pharmaceutical product alongside the active pharmaceutical ingredient, API. These impurities can arise from various sources, including the raw materials, manufacturing processes, storage conditions, and even degradation of the drug over time. Controlling and monitoring impurities in pharmaceuticals is crucial to ensure the safety, efficacy, and quality of the medication. Here are some common types and sources of impurities in pharmaceuticals. Organic impurities. These are typically small, organic molecules that are chemically related to the active ingredient one. Organic impurities can arise from the synthesis or manufacturing process and may include intermediates, reaction byproducts, or degradation products. Regulatory agencies often set limits on specific organic impurities. Inorganic impurities. These are impurities composed of elements other than carbon and hydrogen. 2. Common inorganic impurities can include heavy metals like lead, arsenic, and mercury, which can be present in raw materials or introduced during manufacturing processes. Residual solvents. 3. Residual solvents are the traces of these solvents that remain in the final product. They must be controlled within specific limits for safety. Microbial contamination. 4. Contamination can occur during manufacturing, packaging, or storage. Particulate matter. 5. These can include dust, glass fragments, or other foreign matter. Polymorphic forms. 6. Different polymorphic forms can have different properties, such as solubility and stability, which can affect the drug's performance. Chiral impurities. Chirality refers to the property of molecules having mirror image isomers, enantiomers. 7. Some drugs are chiral, and the presence of impurities with the opposite enantiomer can lead to issues related to safety and efficacy. Degradation products. Pharmaceuticals can degrade over time due to exposure to heat, light, moisture, or other environmental factors. 8. These degradation products can be impurities and may have different properties than the original drug. To ensure the safety and efficacy of pharmaceutical products, regulatory authorities such as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and the European Medicines Agency, EMA, have established guidelines and limits for impurities. Pharmaceutical manufacturers are required to identify, characterize, and control impurities in their products through rigorous testing and quality control measures. This helps to ensure that the final pharmaceutical product is of the highest quality and poses minimal risk to. Enjoy some classes. We provide you with valuable and up-to-date knowledge about the pharmacy education. We create entertaining yet informative videos on topics such as chemistry of drugs, biochemical reaction, and much more. Hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon and join our mission to make understanding pharmacy easier for everyone. Like, share, and comment on our videos. We look forward to hearing from you.
Johnson Classes.
The best for best.